Join me as I take on the challenge of installing and optimizing Google Tag Manager 60 minutes at a time. Let's see how quickly I can unlock the full potential of my marketing data. Google Tag Manager is a powerful tool that has revolutionized the way that marketers streamline their tracking processes and enhance data collection. In today's digital landscape, having reliable data is crucial for making informed decisions, and Google Tag Manager takes center stage in making that happen because it's so easy to use once you know what you're doing. Yet many marketers struggle with trying to get Google Tag Manager to work or worrying about the steep and technical learning curve. In my opinion, though, Google Tag Manager should be making your life easier. It should be doing the work for you. So maybe it's time to look at tag management in a different way. Instead of thinking that it will take time to implement and that it has a steep learning curve, think about it like this. You can get up and running in less than an hour confidently after you enroll in our Google Tag Manager Quick Start course. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Okay, let me walk you through how thoughtfully we've designed the Quick Start courses for Google Tag Manager. First of all, there's 4 courses that are included. As you can see, installing and introducing GTM, using GTM to send data, measuring your user journey, and measuring ads with GTM. So all this is included in one low price for this GTM Quick Start bundle. And so the first one is installing. Really, even if you're an absolute beginner, this one makes it really easy. It tells you through the theory, why we're doing this thing, what you can put in place. As you can see, we give you a tour so you can get really comfortable with the interface and what's going on. This is all spent in the browser. How to plan your measurement with GTM, align with our frameworks. Each of these videos is less than 10 minutes long. Sometimes we go a little bit longer as we need to, but this is all about strategic planning and knowing what you want to track. Creating your first account in Tag Manager, so getting your own account set up, auditing an existing container, so looking at other people who are doing this and see what results you can get from that. So it just gets you familiar with what's going on before you have to put your own neck on the line and put this out there. Recap and review, and then with every quick start, you do the quizzes, and if you complete the quizzes, then you can get a certificate of completion saying that you've finished the GTM Quick Starts, the Google Tag Manager Quick Starts. So that's just course number 1. Now, normally this would be a $97 course, but we're bundling 4 of them together into one. And so you can see there's using Google Tag Manager to send data into GA4. Very important. It's one of the biggest use cases for Tag Manager. It's the reason why it exists, is so you have better data in your Google Analytics. So what's the benefits? How do you set up basic tracking? How do you set up lead tracking? How do you track leads? You probably didn't even know you could do that. But yes, you can track leads halfway through the second course. Okay, so we're getting right to the things you need to do. That's the whole point of a quick start, is to cut out the middleman and woman, cut out the whole any doubt as to what you're doing, and just show you the action you need to do. How do you get the data layer? How do you get e-commerce? Do you even, can you get e-commerce in place? How do you set up e-commerce? This is usually like module number 4 on a $500 course, and it's already included in the second one here. Okay, recap and review, using the quiz. Then we get into the user journey. This is where we're so much different than anybody else, because we really want you to measure this user journey. We don't think you need to measure everything. We think you need to measure the important things, and we're going to help you map that out, showing you using something called draw.io how to do that. How do you build your act, which is part of our proprietary Measure You framework. As you can see here, going through that. Eyes on the journey, building. So if you went through our strategy courses, you would have already learned what these are. This is actually getting it onto your sites. The data is showing up in your Google Analytics account, so it's showing up in the right spots. And then finally, we have measuring ads with GTM. How do you get the Google Ads pixel in place? How do you get Meta Ads pixel? How do you get other ad platforms in place? Quiz to see what you know. You just can't beat the level of thoroughness that we have inside of these courses for the price point and for the promise to you that we are going to save you time. The whole point here is to save you time. Each of these 4 courses is less than an hour each. You can complete them. You can get the task done. As you can see, right away, you're getting it installed. Then you're getting data into Google Tag Manager for your Google Analytics data. Then you're measuring your user journey. Then you're measuring ads. You can do these things one at a time. So 60 minutes or less, you can get this one going. Okay, you watch the videos, you install it. You're pretty comfortable with what you're doing, and you just keep on chipping away as those problems need to be solved. Maybe you need it one day. You're only doing one ad platform right now. Maybe you need other ad platforms later. This course is there for you with access and updates to it as you sign up. So you really got to get into this Google Tag Manager Quick Start course, and you're going to love what's going on here, and you're going to love what you learn, and you're going to love the speed that it saves you. So if you've ever wondered about tag management and not known whether it's a good thing to do, or if you're intimidated, or if you think that it's for somebody else, or there's a steep learning curve, this is all about action. We call them quick start courses, but really the answer is that we're giving you a quick finish. We're getting you the result as fast as possible, but in a way that you won't regret it later on because it's expertly taught and we walk you through step by step. So there's no ambiguity. There's no questions as to what you're doing. All you're doing is following this and moving forward as a result. So enjoy, and I hope that I see you popping in to this quick start course. And while you're there, you get all kinds of other stuff inside the Measure U community at the same time. As you can see, without proper training, it's easy to be intimidated by Google Tag Manager. But it doesn't have to be scary. With a tag management system in place, you'll solve all your challenges so you can unlock your marketing data's full potential. Let's not make this too complicated either. Google Tag Manager has 3 components: tags, triggers, and variables. Tags, they're essentially snippets of code that you track specific events or behaviors on your website. Triggers determine when these tags are fired, and variables store and improve data to provide context. By leveraging these features, marketers can create a customized tracking system that fits their unique needs, ensuring data accuracy and reliability. Wouldn't you love the ability to manage multiple tags in a single interface? Not having to rely on IT to take months to get back to you? And not to mention integrating seamlessly with other Google tools such as Google Analytics, providing you a unified view of all of your marketing data and your user journey? Well, after taking our Google Tag Manager Quick Start course, you can easily create custom events, track conversions, and monitor user behavior, giving you a deeper understanding of your audience. So if you want to commit to making tag management a strength in the quickest way possible, go to measureu.com/GTMYT and learn about everything inside our GTM Quick Start course. And in conclusion, don't be intimidated by Google Tag Manager. Embrace it to unlock your marketing's full potential. And remember, the key to success lies in understanding how to harness the power of Google Tag Manager to get you the answers you need as fast as possible. So thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about measurement tools, be sure to check out my other videos on this channel, and don't forget to leave your questions or experiences in the comments below. And remember to go to measureu.com/GTMYT or visit the link in the description to learn more.